the GMAT. Okay, so this is first question. It reads, a calendar stick carved centuries ago by the Winnebago tribe may provide diverse evidence that the North American Indians have developed advanced full-year calendars basing them on systematic astronomical observations. So the first thing here maybe is to think about idioms and verbs. So we see evidence that one idiom, the verb is have developed, but here we see that centuries ago refers to the past. Okay, so this is past, and have developed is not in the past, so that will lead us to some thinking. Basing them also is an idiom. Okay, so let's go to number A. Number A, it says that evidence that the North American Indians have developed advanced full-year calendars basing them. Okay, so this is a test comment. Any comments using of and that? Okay, so evidence of and evidence that. Split those questions into A and E with that, and B, C, and E with of. Okay, so the correct idiomatic expression comparing with basing on here, basing on, is based on, no basing on. So A is not correct because basing, the ing is normally not used on the GMAT. Okay, so the ing form is not appreciated on the GMAT. Also because have developed is not in the past, it's in present perfect. Okay, present perfect, so it's not correct. Them also, we see here, them is a pronoun that has two references, Indians and calendars, so that is why this is not good referenced. It's an ambiguous reference. Okay, let's go to put here that is an ambiguous reference. Okay, so let's go to number B. Number B, we see here of the North American Indians who have developed advanced full-year based them. Okay, so here, for example, we have this who have developed, which is wrong, probably is wrong because it's in past perfect. Also it's an outward construction because them is not correct. It's ambiguous, as we have told already. Okay, for the same reason of A is ambiguous. Okay, so let's go to number C. Again, basing ing is not good, and another things that we can see in number C is that them does not correctly refers to something specific, so it's or calendars on Indians. So let's go to number D. Well, the question here in number D is that it's not good because calendar stick refers to North American Indians. Okay, the evidence that the North developed the calendar. Okay, calendar stick reveals the evidence that the Indians developed that calendar. But here, the calendar stick refers to the Indians and their development, okay, of calendars. So the meaning is changed. That is why number D is not correct. Okay, so let's go to number E, which is the correct one. And why? Because it does not use the ing form, but instead it's used the based on form. Based on is the correct idiom. Also because it does not use the them. Them is not used, so it's correct. And the verb, also very important, is the verb that is on the past. Okay, so we could check directly number E if we see that all verbs are in present perfect instead this one, okay, which is on the past. Must be in the past because of this. Okay, so that's our question number 1, and we will continue with question number 2. Thank you very much for listening.